Replacing the Genesis GV80 cabin HVAC filter. First things first, put down the glove compartment and remove this cotter pin. Inside the glove compartment there are two retainer tabs, one on each side. They turn 90 degrees and pull out. Those allow the glove compartment to move all the way down by removing them. This long plastic case is where the air filter is stored. On the left here, there's a retaining clip that you're going to pinch. When you pinch that, it frees the door to open up on a hinge and pull out. There is the air filter. You pull it straight out. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to buy the brand new air filter. Look for that says airflow down. That means that you have the arrow so it's pointing down when you put the new one in. Now you can put the door back on, find the hinge and insert them, and then swing it shut and it will snap shut. Make sure it is securely closed. Now you put the cotter pin back in that was holding the glove compartment hanging, and then the two retainer clips on each side. Again, I have the proper air filter to purchase as an affiliate link in the description. And if you have any questions, just ask me.